I'd like to share a few words. I know we still have an exciting photo session, but this is the last oral event session, so I think that's a great moment to reflect and to express some thanks. First of all, I hope that you had a fantastic time at the conference and in Vietnam, from the technical program to the food and hospitality. I hope the experience has been rich and vibrant like our local traffic systems, and hopefully a little bit more predictable. Well, in my opening remark, I did mention how it was quite difficult to plan for this conference because we didn't have reliable statistics from the last few ACCB. So at times I was very, very worried. Sometimes I couldn't even sleep. But just like crossing the street in Vietnam with some patient, a little bit of faith on ourselves and our predictive model, we have made it through. And I'm happy to say that it turned out to be well until now, and I feel great sense of relief. So of course, this success wouldn't be possible without our incredible team of organizers, and a special shout out to our sponsor for their generous support. Our platinum sponsor Sapient, bronze sponsor Google, silver sponsor Springer, and lanyard sponsor the Australian Institute for Machine Learning from the University of Adelaide. And most importantly, thank you, our authors, attendees, and participants. So energy, enthusiasm, and participation are what truly makes it ACCB special, right? I would say together we made ACCB great again, and I hope to see you all at ACCB 2026. Until then, safe travel, and if you are still having trouble crossing the road, and I think you now know what to submit for the next ACCB paper.